Okay, you ready? Is it recording?
Yep, my coverage.
Alright. A little bit of a bumpy ride. Way down there. That's Coches Prietos. Dark-skinned cars or black pigs. We're near the summit, near Coches Prietos on Santa Cruz Island. You can see mainland California over there. And a bunch of barren peaks around us to the west. Point. Made it. Here goes. Albert's Anchorage. That's Coches Prietos on the south side of Santa Cruz Island. Say hello.
Hello.
Recording.
6 months into being on a boat, on the water, after leaving Portland, the captain has finally requested Tevas to wear with his socks. We've reached a new point.
Hello from Potato Harbor. Sean is out paddleboarding. I thought I'd give you an update. Copy that. She says the people we thought were fishing are snorkeling over here. The water is 58 degrees. We're in Potato Harbor on the north side of Santa Cruz Island. The last 2 nights we spent in Coches Prietos on the south side of Santa Cruz. The first night we had it all to ourselves, and the second night we shared with a couple power boats that were rafted together for a little while. We left this morning. It was about a 3.5–4 hour trip around the east side of Santa Cruz Island. We could see Anacapa Islands off to the east and mainland California. Sean got a cell phone signal for a little while. Mine's come and gone. We have Potato Anchorage to ourselves. It's beautiful. You'll see other shots from the other cameras. We laid our stern anchor over there in about 20 feet of water, and the bow anchor is in about 25 feet of water up there. Well, we just flew the drone around and I got some top-down photos seeing where the rocks and the kelp are, and we're in a nice safe place. There's probably room for 1 or 2 small boats here in the summertime, but it's mid-December, so we're lucky to have these anchorages to ourselves, because both Coches Prietos and Potato Harbor, I imagine, are pretty popular. This is some kelp that we found floating next to us. It was fresh yesterday and it was kind of flat. You can see it's shrunken a little bit as it's dried up, so it's not bad, but we'll look for recipes on how to make this a little more palatable. Sea greens, woo woo.